Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. It might be the middle of winter, but I'm already thinking about spring and expanding our chicken coops. So I built a metal building to have chickens in down at the lower barn, metal building that we're going to turn into a chicken coop. Didn't get around to doing that last year. Really looking forward to having a chicken coop again. We got rid of our chickens when I converted the lower barn into a mower repair facility. Now in years gone by, I built my own. This one here seemed a whole lot nicer than anything I could put together myself. So I'm not gonna film assembly, and obviously I can't film installing it. Here's why. As you can see, we got about 14 inches of snow on the ground. We got another 3 to 6 coming, and that's on top of the 5 or 6 inches plus the ½ inch of ice we got last weekend. It's been pretty rough around here. It is February when I'm filming this, but it hasn't stopped me from dreaming. And so why don't I go ahead and assemble this? We'll take a look at it and I'll show you what you can expect. This is the Garvee Chicken Nesting Box V25081196UY. It says there's 14 steps to it, but the bag of nuts and bolts here is definitely not all that many nuts and bolts. This shouldn't take too long. I'll let you know when I get it done. And it does even come with anchoring bolts to mount it to the wall of your chicken coop. It also comes with the screwdriver, a Phillips head, and a wrench to hold the nuts and bolts together. So let me pause the camera. I'll put this thing together and we'll take a look. Let's do it. All right, well here it is. Nice, man. I'll tell you what. You know, I love to build my own stuff, but I'm also man enough to say that I couldn't have built it like this. This is nice. So what we have are trays here. Put your nesting material in here. Obviously, chickens hop up and head on inside. Eggs roll to the front. So you don't have to disturb them if they're broody, which we do try to raise our own right from eggs. So that's gonna be nice. So there's 6 nesting boxes in this. They offer ones with more or less. And when it comes time to clean, let me pull this out. You just pull the whole thing out, get rid of your nesting material. Actually, you remove the tray completely and wash it off if you want to, which is probably what I will do. And it'll just kind of slide back into place. You can't really do this. It's not mounted. It's a little hard to do this one-handed. But yeah, as far as mounting goes, nothing on the sides. It comes with 3 big lag bolts. And on the other side of this, 1, 2, and 3, and you drill into studs, put them in there, or drywall if you want to. So we're putting it on a metal building, but I'm just going to build a frame for it and have it standing, freestanding probably. Nice. So overall, yeah, like construction time took 30 minutes start to finish. I just used the tools that it came with. I didn't use anything special. And these just pop together like pop snaps. And then there's just little screws for everything else. Very cool. Well, spring, although it doesn't feel like it, is coming. And you'll get to see this thing as I finish off our new chicken coop in 2026. I'll leave a link to where you can get one of these things, and I'll see you next time. Take care.